Hello, I am going to show you how to set up your fantasy book 1 reading response slide. So let me show you firstly. Your whole class, everybody in the class has their own Google slide, okay? And this is where you are going to put the title of your first book that you're reading, the one you chose yesterday, and also a link to a Jamboard that we're going to be using for reading responses. Let me show you my sample. Okay, so you can see my name, Fantasy Book 1, The Lightning Thief, okay, and then my Jamboard link. Okay, so let me walk you through the steps of how to get this Jamboard link, okay? At the end of this, your slide, like for example this one, Victoria's, should also have her book title as well as her Jamboard link, okay? That's the goal right now. So if you go to this slideshow, which by the way is linked on the lesson plan, under reading, you can see 5A's and 5B's. So go there first. And at the very top, the first slide in the slideshow has an important link. And if you open this link, it'll force you to make a copy. So that's what we're going to do. And then you're going to rename the file using this naming convention, name_fantasy book 1 Jamboard. And then you're going to go back, write the name on your slide, and paste the link. All right, let me walk you through the steps. So here I am. I click on this link. I open it. Would you like to make a copy? Why, yes. Yes, I would. So click Make a Copy. Okay, and when it loads, this is what you're going to see, the beautiful sunset slide. Yes, it's beautiful. But the first thing you need to do is rename it. So if you click on the left, copy of, that's not what we want it to be named. We want it to be named, what did I say? Name_fantasy book 1 Jamboard. All right, so then you are going to name it. So Ms. Nelson _fantasy book 1 Jamboard. Okay, so please do that on yours. And then you're going to click OK. And Jamboards work just like a Google Doc. So in order to get the link, I'm going to go to Share. I'm going to click this bottom left so I can adjust it. Okay. I'm going to give editing rights. That way, if somebody else wants to comment on your Jamboard or me, you can. Copy link. Done. Now, I go back to my slide. Obviously, I go to mine. And I just simply, I can right click, paste, push enter, and then it turns live. Voila, that's it. Okay, I want everyone to go and do that now. If you are absent and you're watching this from home or from somewhere else, what we're going to do right now, today our focus is going to be reading our fantasy book. So if you're at home, please find a fantasy book. There's loads on Sora if you need, or any type of fantasy book that you have at home. And what you're going to do is you're going to create a Jamboard or you're going to put a Post-it note that answers this question. What is the setting of your story? What role does it play in the story? And include your name and the page number that you are on, which this is just yours. So if you don't put your name, that's okay. And how we do this is, oops, sorry. Okay, to make a Jamboard, it might have been a while. Yeah, you click this little Post-it, and then you write out your response. Yeah, okay. The setting of my story so far is quite ordinary. Okay. My characters are, and I'm going to say when, where, okay. I'm going to give all of the important details. This setting seems important because blah, 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 okay? And then before you save it and post it, I want you to say page, what page did you get to? 35. And then when you click save, the Post-it goes right there. You click cancel, and then you can move it around. Yeah? Okay? And that's your jam. That's what we're doing today.